yes, today I am doing a mystical gypsy look. Now I am so excited, guys. I am loving this tutorial. It is very different because I have never done anything like this before on my channel, and I am totally digging this look. Like, I just can't stop looking at myself. I know that sounds conceited, but anyway, self-love, guys, self-love. But I just love how this look came out, guys, and I hate fake eyelashes. You guys know that if you have been following me for a long time on social media or watching my videos for a while. I hate them. But for you guys, I did put them on for this video, and I mean, they're not that bad, but I just don't like things on my eyeballs because I just don't like that. But anyway, I do love how this look came out, and if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave some comments down below. And guys, if you do recreate this look, please tag me in pictures. I'm really excited to see you guys' recreations. I do love to look at your recreations of my makeup looks. Sometimes people do DM them to me or they post them, so don't be afraid to do that, or you can snap them to me. There's Twitter and Instagram too. I would love to see your looks. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.
I found